Hello?
Hello.
I
How
wasn't
are you
here.
doing?
I wasn't here last meeting.
Oh yeah. It's okay. It's okay. I'm
Yeah.
gonna download the app right after this office hours, and we could talk about like the app. Um. After this
Hi.
office hours.
I was gonna say that the first day of school was today.
Oh, it was today?
Yeah.
Oh, how was the first day of school?
Honestly, like they just started doing construction and like they still didn't finish. So like basically half the classrooms, not half the classrooms, we're like a tenth of the classrooms are like under construction and basically they had to go somewhere else. It
Uh-huh.
was a nightmare for those people because they use the old room numbers and like those old room numbers don't work.
Oh, really? They don't work anymore?
Everything got everybody who like had to like teach in some room is like they moved it and I was like where supposed to go? I was like okay.
Oh, so you got lost a little bit?
Yeah.
Oh my God, it's
I-
crazy.
no, yeah.
What the heck? Do you have a lot of homework so far, or is it a syllabus day like today?
Tomorrow I have a presentation and I have a test tomorrow.
Already, the second day?
Mm, yeah.
What?
The
That's so
fuck.
fast. What the heck?
Shoot.
uh, hey Dobby, hey Amrita, how are you guys?
I'm doing alright. How about you?
I'm doing fine. I just finished one of my stressful exams today. I have two more tomorrow, so I'm just gonna get ready for that
Nice.
soon. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm good. Good luck on your exam. What test do you have?
Today I had a histology quiz on blood connective tissue and the nervous tissue. And then tomorrow I have central neural anatomy or central nervous system, and palpation, like feeling the spine.
Oh,
Hey, I had like let's see, two exams on Monday on skeletal anatomy and philosophy on chiropractic.
wow, that sounds like a lot of memorization.
Yeah, it is a lot of memorization. Like Quizlets and flashcards are like the best to
Yeah.
study. Yeah. Um, let's see. Do you have any topics or questions to start off with?
Wait, I was hoping we can go through the some of the leave-ins homework that I sent.
Oh yeah, the problem set. Yeah. I
Yeah.
saw that you sent. I didn't look at it yet. But I'll look at them right now. Which problem did you want to go over specifically?
So for like all of the synthesis ones, like I know we went over them last time, but
Oh yeah.
some of like some of the things like I think her steps are different or something. I'm not really sure. Like,
Right. Because Levin's problem sets, like she restricts you into like the steps that you could use, and she gives you a list that you have to choose from.
yeah, exactly.
Yeah. So let's see what her choices are, and read
Okay.
the question.
Okay, so the synthesis starts at problem s- okay, it starts at problem 17.
Problem 17. Okay, got it. So it's going to be this reactant here going to this product here, OCH3. And I'm just gonna read through this because we already went over the statistical last night.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna read through the option choices and then the questions. Okay. So first we add reagent to give the functional group. Okay, let's see what we did here. Then reagent gives the functional group with regional selectivity, followed by reagent to give the functional group. Then reagent will give, and lastly, opening with reagent to give the desired product with anti-addition anti-selector selectivity, and nucleophile adding to the more or less substituted side. Okay. So let's give the reaction again. Let's say NaOH, right? Because I see I'm gonna use the things on the list, the reagents on the list.
Okay.
So that's gonna be C. That is E2, which would create this double bond right here, right?
Mm-hmm. Wait,
And then
why don't we use a bulky instead of the unhindered? Sorry.
oh, right, because this is a primary unhindered substrate, right? So NaOH would not do E2 reaction.
Oh, okay.
Unhindered substrate. If we look at the table, primary unhindered substrate with NaOH will do SN2 reaction. So the OH minus will just come in, attack that carbon, and kick out the bromine to form an alcohol right there, right? So if we want the let's say alkene, I have to double check with the chart. Like if you use a bulky base, it would favor like the E2 products. But let me double check the chart
Okay.
really quick.
I think my chart's a little different.
Uh-huh. Is it the chart that I sent you through the email?
Oh, wait, let me check that one actually.
Okay, okay. Let's see. To get the functional group. Boom. Let me read the other options that she has.
Okay, yeah, it says for unhindered to do to use the the hindered strong base strong nucleophile.
To favor the E2 reaction, right?
Yeah.
Right. Because it was primarily unhindered, then there's a lot of space for this OH minus to attack.
Yeah.
Right? SN2 and it would be major, but we want the alkene. We don't want the SN2, so we want to use a hindered base, a bulky base. Hey, hey V, how are you? Okay, so let's see what hindered base she uses on the options. So there's two of them that we know: tributoxide and LDA. Right, and I see option O is the tributoxide, which is the CH3 3 CONA, and then the solvent CH3 3COH, right, which is option O.
Okay.
Okay.
And that would create the functional group alkene.
Alkene, right. That creates a functional group alkene, right? So that's the second choice right there, right? Then with reduced activity, okay. So now we want to do hydrogen oxidation because when we went over this last time, we do not want to do a carbocation intermediate because once we have that most stable carbocation intermediate, the double bond could either go here or here, right? Because it's asymmetrical and they're both equally substituted. But we don't want that because that's going to give us this final product in low yield, right? So we want to do a not hydrogen oxidation, oxymercuration demercuration reaction, which are reagents F, right? Which is mercury, OAC2, NaOH, water, F. Right. This is an alkene functional group.
Wait, the only thing I was confused about is that in option F, they use CH3OH.
Option F. Oh, CH3OH. I was looking at the wrong thing. Okay, so that CH3OH is it's a solvent. It's a solvent. Right.
Okay.
Yeah. I was looking at the wrong thing. I was looking at G.
Oh, okay. Wait, but if there's CH3OH, wouldn't that just create like just an O instead of an OH? Don't we need
Oh,
H?
it will create an OR. It will create an OR.
Yeah. Would that still work for the reaction?
Right, because if we want to proceed with the reaction here, we need to have an OH in order to convert that OH into a bromine using PBr3. Right, if we have OCH3, that OCH3 would not convert into bromine.
Okay.
PBr3.
Okay.
Right. Yeah, let me see the other option choices if there is something else. Let's see. Or H2PDC, H2O2, H3, osmium tetroxide, HBr. Water. We need water. 3.2. Let's see. I don't see any other option that would work because HBr reacting with alkene would give the bromine at
Mm-hmm.
the carbon. We don't want BH3. That's hydrogen oxidation. We don't want that. NaOH acid workup. Oxygen regression. That's what we want. We don't want to reduce the alkene. MCPBA would create the epoxide. But that's not what we want at the beginning. Br2, we don't want that. We don't want two bromines, osmium tetroxide. We don't want two alcohols. Alcohol acid, we don't want that reaction. Base, we don't want that reaction. Peroxide, no. H2PC, no. ROR, no. No, 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 no. Okay, so this right here, I'm just gonna assume that it adds alcohol, right? It should be OR OCH3 though, right? Because of this
Okay.
methanol.
Mm-hmm.
But I'll double check and get back to you and text you like if I double check with other people.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Uh-huh. Wait, let me see though. Let's see. Functional group. Then the reagent gives with the reagent activity follows to give the functional group with. Then the reagent will give the functional group, and then. Okay, so I know the last reaction is gonna be opening epoxide because the last options are saying opening something in acidic or basic conditions. So
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna go backward and then go from there. Oh, right. And then the methyl is a dash. And we see the OR is at the left subside. So we want to be in basic conditions, which is going to be option V. Option V. CH3OH, CH3ONA. Right, but the CH3OH is the solvent here, right? The CH3ONA is the base that's attacking the left subside
Mm-hmm.
and kicking it up. Let's see. Opening with the reagent to give the desired product with anti-stereoselectivity. So the stereoselectivity here is anti-addition because when the O minus attacks that epoxide and breaks it open,
Mm-hmm.
it attacks on the backside. Right. So the stereoselectivity, I don't know how she wants to word it, but it should be something with anti, like opposite side.
For product by section filtration. In
Oh,
a
wait.
formal beaker, add 100 ml of DI water.
Wait, sorry. Was that a question or a comment on this? Okay. Let's see.
Here the epoxide would break on the less substituted side, right?
Yeah, the epoxy will break on the less substituted side because we are in basic conditions. When you see a negative charge conditions right there, is that negative charge conditions will attack the less subside,
Okay.
less substituted side. Right. And this epoxide right here came from this alkene right here using MCPBA, which is option H. Right, so that's one of the questions. Then reagent H will give the functional group epoxide, and lastly, opening up with reagent V with anti-stereoselectivity. That's the iffy one. Like I don't know what she wants, but it should be something with anti-stereoselectivity, and the nucleophile adding to the less substituted side. Right. Let's see. Now let's try me in the middle. OH followed by reagent to give the with Markov. It should be Zaitsev. Then reagent give the and lastly bang. Okay, so now we want to make a double bond here. Let's see. Yep, double bond. Yeah. H2O, H2SO4, H2 plus. So this next reaction here could just be dehydration of alcohol using reagent D. H2O, H2SO4, and heat. right, which is reagent G.
Okay.
NABH4 reducing agent MCPBA, BR2.
And that would give an alkene functional group with Markovnikov Regis activity.
So Markovnikov and anti-Markovnikov are the reactions coming from an alkene where the nucleophile attaches on the Morse subside, right? When we make alkene, when we make the Morse substitute alkene, that's the Zaitsev regioselectivity. The less alkene is the Hoffman regioselectivity. Yeah. So there should be Zaitsev. Does Levin spell it like with the Z-A-Y or Z-A-I?
I think it's the S-A-Y.
S-A-Y. S-A-Y. Yeah. So go with this one. Yeah. Right. Yeah. I'll double check with other people who go to her office hours to see what specifically she wants, and then I'll confirm with you once I have that information.
Okay.
Okay. Let's see. Yeah. But this right here is a little bit weird because you know how I said that this would protonate the OH to become OH2 plus good leaving group, and then that OH2 plus good leaving group can leave, forming a carbocation here, and then that could do a hydride shift to make the more stable tertiary carbocation here, and then from here, this hydrogen or this hydrogen can get deprotonated to form this or this alkene right here, right? So we get a mix of products, like either this alkene or this alkene right here, right? But we want this alkene to lead to our desired product, right? This would still be formed, which is why it would give us a mixed products, mixture of products, right? But I don't see any other reagent that goes with that, because what did we try last time? Like for the synthesis film, we tried. Yeah. So this one right here, it should not be a small strong base strong nucleophile. It should be a bulky strong base strong nucleophile, because the substrate we have here is primary unhindered, right? To form the alkene major product. And then we did hydroversion oxidation to get that position there. Is there PBr3 here? No, there's no PBr3 in the option choice. So to go straight to the alkene, I only see acid, water, and heat that can make the alkene directly from an alcohol. Right. All these other reagents won't make the alkene, because the strong base would not be able to do E2 reaction with this alcohol, because this alcohol here is a bad leaving group, right? So if we try to do like a strong base, like OCH3 minus, E2 reaction will not happen, because this is not a good leaving group right there, right? But this is what I see for the problem set so far. I'll confirm later with you. Right. Okay. So that was 17. Let's do 18. Which we have this haloalkane, and we're transforming that to this product that is a vicinal syn diol. Okay, so let's look at the questions. First, the addition of reagent forms the functional group. This is a tertiary substrate. So using a strong base, strong nucleophile that is unhindered, we'll go for the Zaitsev E2 product. And then I'm going to do HBr with ROR, which is going to be a anti-Markovnikov reaction. It's going to add the bromine at the less subside of the alkene because of this peroxide here, ROR. Right? And then I want to make a double bond right here, which is the Zaitsev. I mean the Hoffman E2. So we got to use tributyltoxide, CH3COK, CH3COH, to make that less substituted Hoffman alkene. And it goes from that alkene to that vicinal syndiol is going to be osmium tetroxide, which is option L. OSO4, H2O2, L. Let's read the option choices. Okay, so first addition of the reagent A forms the functional group alkene. Then reagents A and R, A and R, which is HBr and ROR, together to give the functional group haloalkane. So there's different names for this: haloalkane, alkyl halide, or organohalide. But I'm gonna lean towards the haloalkane. But she might have different correct answers for that choice, but I would say haloalkane. Right. With anti-Markov regional selectivity. Right, it added to the left subside of the alkene, anti-Markov. Then reagent O, reagent O, the turbotoxide, to give the functional group alkene with Hoffman regioselectivity, Hoffman, right? Because we made the less substituted alkene, which is the Hoffman alkene. Double check with the spelling for Hoffman. I think it's one F and two N's. Well, it might be two F's and two N's, or one F with, two F's with one N. But I think it's one F and two N's, Hoffman. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Functional goes with. The functional goes with, yeah. And lastly, reagent. What is this reagent? L. To give the final diol product, two alcohols, with syn stereoselectivity, syn. Right, syn addition. Yeah, I don't know if you want syn or syn addition as the answer, syn or syn addition. Stereoselectivity. The final product will be mixed stereoisomers, right? Because this carbon right here is a chiral center, which has this methyl group that could either be a wedge or a dash, right? So imagine if we have this wedge product where the OH are still dashes, and they're both dashes because it's an addition, and then the methyl group is the dash right here. These two structures, do you guys remember the relationship between those two structures? Are they identical? Are they enantiomers? Are they diastereomers? Are they constitutional isomers? Or are they mesomolecules to each other? Right, so identical would be if all the R and S stay the same. Enantiomers would be if all the chiral centers flip, like all of the R is flipped to S, all of the S flip to R. Diastereomers would be if some of the chiral centers change, some of them stay the same. Right. Meso molecule is when we have two chiral centers and a plane symmetry. That plane symmetry is the most important thing for meso molecules. And constitutional isomers are when they have the same chemical formula but different connectivity. Right. So in this one right here, we see that these two chiral centers of the alcohol stay the same, but the chiral center with the methyl group change. So they're diastereomers of each other. Right. So those are the two stereoisomers that we could have, or we could have these when the alcohols are wedged, right? Because when we attach the alcohols onto the the, the molecule, it could attach either on the dash side or the wedge side. So we're gonna get 4 different mixed stereoisomers here. So the answer should be mixed stereoisomers, and the isomer ratio will not be influenced by the stereochemistry of the methyl group. It will be influenced by the stereochemistry of the methyl group, because this right here has less steric hindrance than if the methyl was a dash. Because if the methyl was a dash, then they're facing on the same side, which increases the chance of them bumping into each other, which is steric hindrance, right? But if the methyl is on the opposite side as the diol, then that's less steric hindrance. They're avoiding bumping into each other, less steric hindrance. Okay, so that's 18 for the problem set. Okay, 19. Okay. Okay, first reagent we'll add with reagent selectivity, and okay, so for this problem here, I see what she wants now for stereoselectivity. It's gonna be sin, right? Not sin addition. Right? She specified what she wants as the answer in this one. Did she specify that in the last one too, or no? Stereoselectivity.
I don't think she specified
Yeah.
on the last one.
Yeah, she didn't specify on the last one. Right. So it should be sin, stereoselectivity. For this one right here, with reagent followed by reagent, we give the desired product. Okay, let's just do this. And go down here, MCPBA, epoxide. Okay. And then it doesn't matter which one we use, because both carbons of the epoxide are equally substituted. So it doesn't matter if you use acidic conditions or basic conditions. And I'm going to use acidic conditions with ethanol to get that OH. And I think we did PBr3 here in the last session, but let's see if there's option choice for that. 18, 19. Okay, first reagent A will add with Markovnikov regious activity, because the bromine attached to the more subside of the alkene, and none stereoselectivity. There's no anti-syn stereoselectivity for this reaction, because when we do the mechanism, right, when this alkene here grabs the H, kicks out the Br, and we form a carbocation here, this carbocation is flat and planar, sp2 hybridized. So when the Br minus comes in to attack it, it could attack either on the top or bottom side, right? Which is why it's not going to be syn or anti to the hydrogen. It could be either or, right? Because it could attack on either the top or bottom side of the carbocation. Then reagent, see, what's this? Reagent C. NaOH will form the functional group alkene. Right. With Zaitsev with the S, regioselectivity. Zaitsev, regioselectivity. The more substituted alkene, more stable alkene. Addition of reagent, something with reagent, oh, no, with regioselectivity. Okay. Wait. Regioselectivity. With reagent, we form the function group. Right. Another thing. HBr epoxide, osmium tetroxide. Yeah, her answer option choices like was not the same as the one we tried last night. So I'm trying to figure out what her way is right now. Let's see. Addition of then reagent with one functional group with type stuff. Addition of reagent. And then reagent. Okay, let's see. Yes. I think the next step is MCPBA, which forms an epoxide. But the regioselectivity of this, like there's no regioselectivity of it because both carbons are attached, and unless an answer choice is none. But I'm trying to see any other choices here. Hydrogen oxidation, anti-Markovnikov. No. There's no regioselectivity because both carbons are equally substituted. So there's no yeah, regioselectivity here. If this is the intermediate. This is weird. Okay. Let's stick with that. With okay, none, then reagent with warmed alkene with Zaitsev. BR2 water. Oh. Wait, let me try something else. Let me try this. Okay. Let's erase this. Wait, actually, no. Oh, wait, actually, yeah. Erase this. Okay. And then from here, we use BR2 and water. Wait. I could go over the mechanism of this reaction as well if this product doesn't make sense, but it's going to add Br and alcohol to the alkene, right? Br on one carbon of the alkene and alcohol on the other end of the alkene, right? And if this was asymmetrical, the alcohol would be at the more subcarbon. The Br would be at the less subcarbon, right? But since this is like equally substituted, so it doesn't matter. I'm gonna put the alcohol on this side because that's what it matches with the product more, and the Br on this side, right? And then now we have a good Levy group here, which we can do E2 reaction, right? So if we do E2 reaction, we could either form a double bond here or double bond here, right? Because we could either grab this alpha hydrogen or this alpha hydrogen here to form the double bond. There's no alpha hydrogen here, right? I want the double bond right here at the less sub side because in the product, I see the alcohol is on that carbon right there, right? Where we could say that that came from the alkene right there. So if I want the less sub alkene, I'm gonna use reagent O, right? The tributoxide. To get the Hoffman. E2 product. And then from here, I'm gonna do hydroversion oxidation with reagent B, BH3. There's 2 steps with it. First step, BH3, second step, H2O2, hydrogen peroxide, NaOH, water, which those 2 steps together make up the hydroversion oxidation reaction, which is an anti-Markovnikov reaction, and adds an alcohol to the less subcarbon of the alkene. OH right there. Right. Okay. So I see, okay, what's wrong here? Because now we have 2 alcohols. There is a way to form an ether from an alcohol, which is Williamson ether synthesis, right? Where we deprotonate the alcohol to give it a negative charge, and then that negative charge attacks an alcohol halide to form the ether. But I don't see any alcohol halide in the option choices, so this might not be a choice that she wants. But what I was thinking that could be alternative is something like this, right? So let's not do the hydrogen oxidation first, and let's do, like, let's say strong base. Yeah. Don't worry about that because there's no alcohol halide that would satisfy that. There's no CH3, CH2Br or good leaving group. Okay. The CH3, CH2 here are coming from alcohols or ethoxide, alkoxide, which has to come from an epoxide, and then the OH would be there. HBr. Okay, restart. Okay, go backwards. Followed by reagent, you get the desired products. Okay. Yeah. There's no regis. Alkene, and then reagent will form the functional group or mass reagent. Yeah, so one of the answer choices with the regis activity might be none, which is why I'm kind of confused, because if there should be no regis activity from, let's say, this intermediate here, right? Because both carbons of the alkene are equally substituted. So I'll get back to you on this problem as well, right? Because like this question here is kind of confusing me with the regis activity from the intermediate. Let's look at the option choices. Do you guys have like this attempted yet, or like what you guys think should be the answers for this one so far?
I have no idea.
I see. All right. Okay. HBr, BH3. Yeah, that's not Gonna epoxide. See if there's yeah, the one of the answer choices might be none, right? Might be none. So if it's none, then it would make sense, like to go through from here to here, right? So I'm getting stuck on that. Like if the answer is none, or is there an answer for that actually, right? Because what would go through here is BR2 water. Yep. No, MCPB side. So now 4. Okay. And then OH here. We want to double bond at the anti-mark position. Right. We could do acid, water, and heat. That's gonna react with the ether as well, so that's not good. Wait, let me double check my Google Drive folder just to make sure I have this or not. Already, I forgot if I do. Yeah, I don't have this one. Yeah. Yeah, PBR3 is missing in the list. PBR3. Does she want something else? Yeah, dude. I don't know. If the answer is like none, then it would make more sense, but I'm not sure of this one. Yeah. Let's see. Okay, let's try something else. Let's try this. No, that doesn't make sense. HBr and BH3, saturation oxidation, base, oxidation. Osmotic hydroxide, no. 2 alcohols. Here. No, that's not gonna. There's no protecting group, so no, not osmotic hydroxide. Epoxide. I think there's an epoxide somewhere here, right? But then there's no reactivity. H2O2, H2PVC, or we'll add with non-selectivity, reagent A, or no, C, alkene with Zaitsev, MCPBA, no reagent activity because both alkene are equally substituted. So I'm just gonna go with none. And then reagent will form, yep, none. Lastly, reagent followed by reagent. Yeah, I'll get back to you on this problem when I like look at it more and see what she wants. Right, for this problem. Right. Any other questions on this problem set? And then I'll text you back when I have this one here. Let's see. MCPBA.
I had a question on like the reactions problem, question 16 towards the end.
Yeah.
We went over this one too. It was the OH and H2SO4 reacting with the Br.
Yeah, this one right here. Right.
Yeah. I was just confused about the products that would basically like all of the fill in the blanks for that part. I like was confused about. I got I and J for
As the product.
for the major products without
Right.
the rearrangement.
Mm-hmm.
And then for the minor products, I said F and E, but I'm not really sure if that's right.
Okay, so let's see. What reaction do you think this is right here? Like based on the reactant and the reagent, what reaction did you think of? Right. What is this reagent here? Like, is it considered?
I think. Oh wait, sorry, I'm looking at the wrong. Hold on, sorry.
It's not this one, not 16.
Oh, it's 16. I think they replaced CH3 CH2ONA with H2SO4, and then they replaced the Br with OH.
Oh, as part of the problem for the last part.
Yeah, like towards the end. Yeah.
Towards the end. If you and then convert the Br with OH like this, right? And reagent to H2SO4.
Yeah.
Okay. And then the alcohol here is ethanol, right? Like the ethanol stays as it is.
Yeah.
Okay. So when you have a strong acid, look for a strong base. An acid-base reaction is going to happen, which is this alcohol right here. So the alcohol is going to get protonated by the strong acid. And what did we just create? A good or bad leaving group after we protonate the OH?
A good leaving group?
Yep, a good leaving group. And now think about this in terms of SN1 mechanism. What's the very first step of SN1 mechanism?
The leaving group leaves.
Right, leaving group leaves to form a carbocation.
There's a
intermediate.
carbocation intermediate, and there would be rearrangement.
Yeah, there would be rearrangement, but I'm like, it could be here or here.
Yeah.
So there's gonna be multiple different major products here. Right. I'm gonna do a purple hydride shift to get this purple intermediate. And then this green hydride shift to get this green intermediate. Right. The stereochemistry of the methyl group at the green intermediate loses its stereochemistry. It becomes flat and planar because this carbon is now sp2.
Wait, I think the
Oh, there's no methyl group. There's no methyl group.
there's a methyl, yeah, that's what I thought.
Oh, okay. Oops. I'm making random stuff up.
No, you're good.
Okay. So now this is the correct carbocation intermediate here. There's no other methyl group. All right. And now once we have the substrate carbon here, these are the alpha carbons. Alpha carbon. Now we're gonna choose the.
Wait, so in that problem, if there's no rearrangement, then products I and J would be the major, and then what would be the minor for that
Yeah.
one?
Let me see I and J. I, right, and J. The minor would be G and B, I think. Wait, let me see. Because like the major one would be like SN1 like, the minor one would be like E1 like.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, but G would be with
Oh
rearrangement.
no. Yeah, that's with the rearrangement. With the rearrangement. Yeah. I was thinking about the more stable one. So what would it be? The E1 products without the rearrangement?
It would be E and B.
Yeah, E and B. E and
Okay.
B. Right. That's what the alkenes that would form from the carbocation that did not rearrange. Right.
Okay. And then if there was rearrangement,
Yeah.
it would be G and
For the E1, that's the major E1 product only because that's the most substituted alkene that could form. Right? If you make a double bond somewhere else, like at the bottom there, that's di-substituted. If you make a double bond at the left side, that's tri-substituted. The double bond at G, like the bottom right there, that's tetra substituted. So that's the E1 major product, right? But then that's considered minor if you compare that to SN1.
okay.
Right. But it could be G, C, and A. G, C, A, and yeah, they drew A really weird. Like they rotated it before they made the double bond, but it could be G, C, and A.
Wait, they said that there's only two products if rearrangement occurs, of which
For the minor one?
no for okay.
Uh-huh.
There's no they didn't write any okay, they said if a rearrangement occurs, what
additional
products will
products?
come?
Uh-huh.
And then they gave two options and
Oh,
then
right. And then they make you choose the more stable one.
yeah.
Yeah. I see. Yeah, so the two products that you're gonna choose is the SN1 product and the E1 product. One of it is G. The other one is going to be the SN1 product, which is where is that? Where is it?
I can't find it. Like
Where's the OR at that carbon? No, that's not it. That's not it. That's not it. Huh? Wait. Let me read the question again. If a rearrangement occurs and additional products, what additional products will form? Okay, so since there's no like SN1 products for this, I'm assuming they're doing this in high temperature, which they're doing E1.
okay.
reactions, which is going to be G and C. G and C, and then G would be major over C because it's more substituted.
This is for with rearrangement.
Yeah, this is with rearrangement, right? With
Okay,
rearrangement.
B and C, and then C would be more stable.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh wait, G would be more stable, not C. G.
Okay, and this is the E1.
Yeah, this is the E1. This is the E1.
Okay.
Right, because A, I just realized A can be formed from no rearrangement.
Oh yeah. Wait. Oh. Oh yeah. Okay. Wait, so would this product do both? I mean, would this reaction do both SN1 and E1?
She didn't give temperature, so I'm assuming it can do both SN1 and E1, but SN1 is going to be major if it's in low temperature. E1 is going to be major if it's high temperature.
I see.
Right. But
Okay.
yeah, but once I get the answers to this, I'll let you know more clearly, because like these concepts are so like iffy sometimes.
Yeah.
CH3, yeah, OH, H2SO4 carbocation, no rearrangement, make a double bond. Okay, yeah. What am I products? Yeah, because for the previous part, I'm assuming that the major products they are talking about are the SN1, and then the bottom ones without the rearrangement, the minor ones are the E1 ones. And what did you say the E1 products are for the no rearrangement ones? Which letters?
For
The no rearrangement minor products.
oh, it was B and E.
B and E. E, yep. E, yeah. Oh, okay. So assuming it's just all E1, right? If it's just all E1, no SN1, it could also be A and F.
A
Right?
and F for minor?
Yeah. Oh no, as the other ones, A and B for major, E and F for minor, right? Because let's look at the one without rearrangement. So let's say we have this carbocation right here, right?
Oh, cause okay, I get it. A and B because it's on the more substituted side. And then
Right.
E and F. Okay, I see.
Right, because we could do free rotation in the carbocation intermediate. There's no double bond, so we can rotate the bond like this, where there is still a carbocation right there. Like right, and then the four products, like A and B, are gonna come from deprotonating these hydrogens here in blue. Right, that will give a product A if we deprotonate that hydrogen. Oh no. Product B. Right. This would give products A right here if we deprotonate that hydrogen.
I see. Wait, so if they don't give us temperature, do we just assume that it's at low temperature?
Dehydration. E1. Assume it's dehydration. E1.
Oh,
Right. I'll get back to you to see what they want explicitly, because wait, let me read the problem more clearly. If it's asking for E1 or yeah, which and the range into H2SO4 the major compounds. Yeah, I'm leaning towards the elimination reactions because they give answer choices that would fill up the elimination products, which are like these two major ones. And then the minor ones would be if they grab the purple hydrogens, which this one that I drew right here is going to give you the E product, and then this one right here is going to give you the oh no, not that one. This one right here. It's going to give you the F.
Okay.
The F products, right? So these are the four things here, where the blue is in major, the purple is going to be minor.
Okay.
Right. So I'm guessing it's E1. That's what makes most sense with the options that she gave. But this could be SN1, where the alcohol attacks a carbocation as well, right? If it's in low temperature.
Okay.
But based on her answer choices, I'm leaning towards E1.
Okay. Thank you.
No problem. Yeah, I haven't looked at these in more in detail yet, but when I do, I'll let you know, update you on what I know. So once I look into this more.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem.
Good luck on your midterms.
Thank
Just,
you,
like,
thank you.
I have a Zoom meeting going on.
Uh-huh.
Oh, shut up. Yo, I was talking to my friend.
Thank
I was
you,
like,
V.
hello.
Good luck on your exam next Wednesday.
Yeah, just don't forget to do your 8 push-ups. It's that time of day.
Oh yeah, 8 push-ups, 8 push-ups. Let's do it right now. Well, I did 20 push-ups in class with my friend, but I'm gonna do 8 more today right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's done. Yeah.
Good job. Good job.
Thank you. Yeah.
Honestly, today's a great day.
That's
Everybody just
smart.
started like celebrating
I'm trying
when
to
I
get to
came to the
the
door.
gym more often, be more consistent.
Yeah. Swole and smart. That's what someone put in the chat. That's nice. Anyway, yeah. Yeah, my friend. I was just like, I'm literally multitasking. I'm like, I have like Quizlet open with like my calling my friend, and I'm like listening to you at the same time.
Oh really? Are you studying
Yeah.
for your classes with Quizlet already?
Yeah,
On the
I'm
first
actually. I
day?
feel like I'm behind because like there's a lot of stuff that you need to cover, and like studying in class won't like cut it. It's just like get to study outside of class also.
Uh-huh.
But like right now, I guess it's like my bedtime since like I can like have a healthy sleep schedule while also doing all this.
Oh right.
I'll
Did
just
your
wake
sleep
up
schedule
early, but
change when you went in school, or is it still the same? Like
it's
your sleep
still the
schedule?
same.
Hmm.
It works.
It works.
It,
That's good. That's good. Oh yeah, let me add you. Let me go to the app that you told me about on Discord.
yeah.
Free account.
I mean, the biggest thing is that like you could like add or actually let me just like open groups. Actually, when you get there, you know, like I don't
Uh-huh.
know what your phone looks like, but
Let's see.
you could also just like click the link I sent you on Discord just to like add me or something. I don't know if it changed, but
Right. When I tried going to that link, like it's just some kind of error thing.
oh, okay. I think it expired or something.
Let's see.
Rankings, calendar, help, status. Let's see. Is this it? No, it's not. Group missions. What is it? Yeah, I am. All right. Hello?
Oh, okay. I just got the app.
Yeah. I wonder how let's see.
Ooh, can you send me an invite again?
Yeah, I found it. Share link. All right. Copy. Boom. All right. Okay. Did you click it?
Click open. Open. Okay. Oh, password?
It's Y, capital Y,
Mhm.
lowercase a,
Mhm.
uppercase X. That's it.
Okay, okay. Oh, the passwords do not match. Wait, let me try again. Wait, it's
Y
this, right?
a.
Let me type it on the chat.
Yeah, let me just type it. Mm,
Oh, capital X, capital X.
Yeah.
I see. Y-A, capital Y. Okay, I'm in.
And also, that's my name.
Oh, that's your name. I see.
Yeah. Wait, I don't see you. Let me just refresh. Can I like invite? Wait, what's going on? Studying, room members.
Oh, never mind. I had to click join. I,
Oh,
I just clicked join.
okay. Let's see. Let me refresh. Oh, let's go. All
Oh,
right.
you see it? You see it?
I see it.
Let me see.
Wait, and also there's like a group chat. Yeah. Hello. It's kind of like Discord, but without all the distractions, I guess, because it's supposed to be like
Study.
academic. You focus. You just
Yeah.
like, yeah,
I see you said it for 2 hours, 38 minutes, 14 seconds.
yeah. That's the best I could do today. I just need to like stay like I just have a timer. Like
Oh, you said
once
it
you
for
like.
3 hours, 24 minutes yesterday.
Mhm.
Whoa.
This is a really
Study.
good app, by the way.
Yeah. Good accountability app.
It's just like if you have a lot of people in the server, what will happen is just like you're just competing to like just study, and that's like good overall.
Yeah.
Mm. Wait, how do you even? Oh, wait, never mind. I found it. So yeah, it's a really good accountability app. Like, what takes it? Like, you can also block apps because like it won't even let you like on an app unless you like pause a timer. But like since like the timer is supposed to like represent how long you're studying, and if you stop that, it like that's it. It's just like
Oh, do you have the
you're
premium
either
version of the app?
well, you don't need to take the premium, honestly.
Oh, you could block it
Like
without the premium?
it could take like 15 minutes and then understand what that app is, and then
Uh-huh.
like just like browse around, just like see what's like, and then boom.
I
It's
see.
it's really it's neat. I found it on Instagram.
Oh,
I was like on the last day of summer. I was like, oh, this is cool.
yeah. It's a sign. It's helping you.
Yeah, and then also I don't know if you could see this, but it's like if you like look in the top left corner when you press home, like you could you could see allowed apps, and basically you just like allow like apps that you want, and then it just like filters out.
While studying? I see.
Yeah,
Dang. And it blocks every other app while you're studying that you don't allow?
yeah. I mean, I actually barely have any apps on my phone, so that's really easy.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
That's good.
I mean, it's actually, yeah. it just like I have like a tendency to just like scroll or just like view YouTube, but like I realized that like one of the behavior patterns I have is that I don't have like my Chromebook on while I'm also using my phone. So I either just have like a timer and that's
Uh-huh.
it, and then or I just have like my Chromebook and I just use it for flashcards and that's it. While also the timer's running, but basically I can't. I usually just use my phone because
Oh,
I'm
I see.
getting addicted to my Chromebook. So
Right.
they
Is
they
it
give out
the Chromebook from school? Do they give it to you to borrow? Or
no, you just keep it.
mm, dang, like
Yeah.
you just keep it, they give it to you for free? What the heck?
Yeah. You get
Oh.
one. You just get one, but still, it's just like, damn.
Mhm. Dang, your school is rich.
Yeah, they built a gate around it, and now they're like starting to find students for parking in their own
Oh.
like school parking lot for no
Oh, okay, if
reason.
they don't have the parking permit or parking pass?
No, they just like before they wouldn't actually fine people like $500 or something.
Oh,
So
really? $500 for like
I don't I don't know how like how much parking permits cost honestly because
uh,
I don't know.
yeah.
But it's just tough because now they're actually starting to find people.
Uh-huh.
And I don't know, man. It's like first day of school is kind of crazy. Some people, I remember I heard from my friend that someone went to detention twice. I have no idea what happened. Probably for like I don't know, man.
Oh my God. From parking?
No, not for parking. It's something completely different. I just don't know.
Uh, mm,
So yeah.
mhm. That's good. That's good.
Mhm.
Are you on the timer right now for on the app to study?
No, I just let. No, I'm not.
Uh-huh. Let's see.
Hmm. Let's see. You, groups. Let's see. One, two. You can see the timer, and then you can see books, insights. Let's see. Oh, never mind. Just yeah. Insights just shows you like your data, just like how much you spent or like time.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna use that timer like tonight when I study for my exams tomorrow, and then tomorrow you
Yeah.
see my time go up.
Yeah, it's like really useful actually. You're just like competing, but like not competing, but it's actually just like
Motivating.
motivating just to see other people studying with you.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Hmm.
Right.
You know what's also funny? My AP Lang textbook has for the first chapter, it has 257 pages in the first
Really?
chapter. Yeah,
What? What the
it's
heck? Yeah, that's all the reading.
new textbooks are crazy. They told us not to read everywhere, just like skim through it and just like take notes and answer the questions that they ask us on the freaking book.
Uh-huh. Oh my
So
God.
so it might take me a while, but
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna start early.
Yeah. You should start early instead of like pushing it back. You know.
I
Yeah.
hmm. The only like I remember in AP World, I basically what happened was like I had this study partner, and basically I just knocked out like what like a not like, nine tenths of the entire work, and because like I just like did it with this person, it's like okay, and it's like we're all done, yay!
Yeah,
It's like
like
the
you were locked in, huh? When you said it with other people.
yeah, this is like a Zoom call, just like let's go, and then boom, yeah.
That's
But
good.
I get it's just like motivating. It's like this is like the app for me, honestly.
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna treat it like a social media. You know, I could like send out alerts and stuff. I don't know if you can see my uh
Notifications.
notifications.
Yeah. I turned it on for the app too. So then like I can see alerts
The
from the
notice board, you can see the notice like look at the notice board.
notes board. Okay, let's see.
Yeah. It's basically like a social media. I just start posting like updates on my life or something. I just like keep a log. That's like because like I'm trying to like get into writing as a hobby, just so I
Oh,
don't hate
notice
it
board.
because of I don't hate writing because of AP Lang. I'm trying to actually get better at it. So
Yeah, it's good. Wait, what's your schedule like in school? Like, what classes are you taking?
Spanish 3, microbiology honors, AP Lang, and then US history regular. But the US
Oh,
history class is like super chill. Like teacher told us like she doesn't care if we're on our phones, but just like we're gonna learn some stuff, but it should be a really easy class. That's
uh-huh.
what she yeah.
Good. Dang, I see the rankings too. You're number one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, you should be studying more than me, like since like you're in college. I don't know how that works
Oh,
for you.
uh, grad school, grad school. I finished college.
Oh, damn, that's nice.
I know. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna get to studying for my 2 exams that I have tomorrow. I'm gonna use the app, turn on the timer, and then thanks for
Let's
reminding me
go.
about the push-ups. Well, I did the push-ups today in class with my friend too. So,
Yeah.
that's good. Yeah.
Today was actually a really good day. Just like everything that went right could have gone right, and then like
Uh-huh.
nothing went wrong at all.
Yeah. Did you plan for it ahead of time?
No, I did not.
Oh, I
It
see.
just yeah,
Uh-huh. That's
it
good.
just happened by random. But the only
Uh-huh.
thing was like I had to walk home, and like my house was like 3 miles away, so it took me like an hour and 15 minutes to walk. But like
Yeah.
after that, but my legs weren't even sore because of all the training I did in the past 8 months.
Oh, yeah. That's good. That's good. It's the hard work's paying off.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like the things I couldn't even do like last month, I can do now.
Uh-huh.
Yeah,
Oh, that's so good.
yeah.
Is there a gym at your school that you could go to?
No, I can't. I'm actually there's a weightlifting class, but I just not take it and just like work out at home because it's
Work out
actually
home. Yeah.
because I already have I'm very what's it called when you're resourceful. Yeah, I'm very
Uh-huh.
resourceful. So
Resourceful. Right,
yeah,
right, right. That's good. Yeah. Work with
I
what
don't
you got, you know?
also I don't I feel like weightlifting would stunt your growth or something like that.
Oh, dang. I didn't know
So
that.
basically, I just have like calisthenics because like I have a friend who goes to the gym and he can't
Mhm.
like do a headstand just because his body weight is so uneven.
Oh.
So like if you just work out your body like calisthenics, then
Uh-huh.
basically it just like balances out, and that's like
Yeah.
what I got.
Is your goal
It's
to
like
to do a handstand?
it's actually to just like walk around the school on my hands, basically.
Oh.
Just do like a complete lap. It's just like yay! It's like
Uh-huh.
yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Like, as
That's
strong as
good.
my legs, yeah, but I haven't gotten that to the point where I can even do a handstand or even, like but, like, it's like push-ups, I can't do I mean, they're, like, too weak for me, like, I can't like, I have to do something a little bit stronger, like, more, so,
Uh-huh. Right,
yeah.
right, right. You got some time to like improve and start that journey on the handstands, you know?
Yeah,
Yeah.
mhm.
Right. Yeah. So
Yeah,
I'll
just
catch up with you all more on Discord. I'm gonna start studying for my
start
exams and
yeah,
I'll
use the app, yeah,
yeah, use the
yeah.
app. I'm gonna use the app.
There's also, like, when you start like, when you turn on the timer, just, like, a little, like, thing for, like you just download a music thing and it's just like you just play it and then you don't have to like open up Spotify or anything. It
Oh,
just comes with
dang.
the app.
Dang, it connects it on the app already?
No, I mean you just download it, but like it only takes like 10 seconds and then it just plays forever. It's just like great.
Hmm.
You don't have to like open up Spotify. So
I see.
yeah,
Yeah, yeah. I'll look into it. I'll look into it.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I'll see you on Monday and we can catch up on Discord too, like in the app too, like the chat on the app too.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
See
I'll
ya.
see you, Ryan. Good luck with school and everything too.
I think yeah, you too. I think
Yeah.
I have it harder than you since like you already finished high school.
Yeah, yeah. You
And
gotta get into college and everything. Don't worry about
yeah.
that.
Yeah.
Uh,
See ya.
yeah, see ya. Bye.
Bye bye.